saw the last video, you would have seen that I got sick. So sick that I wasn't even able to go snowboarding, which that's pretty sick, to be honest, because I would have gone snowboarding no matter what. So it was just a few days ago that I was sick, so I still sound a little sick. Today we're gonna be doing a muffler delete on a Lexus IS200t. It's like an axle back muffler delete kit thing. So we'll see what it sounds like before and after. And my wife always asks, you know, how long is it gonna take? And I'm like, oh, it shouldn't take too long, you know, like 30 minutes, maybe 45. And then things turn into like 2-3 hours and multiple trips to O'Reilly's or whatever. Hopefully today's not one of those days. So we're gonna see how quickly we can install this thing too. I think, I'm gonna say 45 minutes. All right, Ray should be here in a minute, so let's get ready. Anyway, we got the daggone Lexus here. Freaking Ray, what up, dude?
Hey.
Dang. Yeah, I watched a video actually. I think there was, the guy had the same ones, but they had like burnt tips on them.
I was saying about it, and I was like, that might be a little bit too ricey.
Start it up real quick, actually. Let me hear, I want to hear what it sounds like before. I watched some videos, and it's not like crazy loud, but way better than stock, because stock is like, what? I can't even hear it.
Yeah, you can't hear it.
At all.
It's very like vacuumy, huh?
Yeah.
I did that carbon wheel I was talking about.
Oh, dude, carbon wheel?
And now it doesn't drive straight.
Oh, that looks nice though. Got the VIP dash, the little Spidey. Yeah. Oh, I guess this would be a good thing to do for safety.
Yeah, blocks.
Yeah. It shouldn't move, but
Dang. Is
you
yours
never
fitting?
know. Let's see how far up it'll let me go. All right, I think that's it. All right, I'll let it down a little bit.
It sounds like he's gonna snap.
Nah, dude, it should be good. So
Save a life.
now we do the test.
It's not bad.
Solid. I don't know if you've ever used one of these fancy little ratchet, electric ratchets.
Yeah,
All right, so not that one. So let's try. God dang, dude, you thought it was a 17?
Dude, I swear.
Nah, this is like a, try a 12.
Nah, maybe a little bigger.
Ah, okay, 13.
14?
13? 14?
14.
All right, here you go, 14.
Yeah.
I like using this thing.
There's not a lot of power with that thing, right?
I mean, here, try it.
Let's see.
Also, do you want some gloves? Because I typically wear gloves, so I'm about to put some on.
Yeah, I guess I'll.
All right, okay. I know everybody here on YouTube about to be like, oh, the freaking dude. Nah, dude, I always wear gloves. Just because it's just for the cleanup process. Like, whenever you're done, just take the gloves off and you're good. All right, and then once it's broke free, boom.
Ah,
dude.
my eyes.
Oh, no. You want safety glasses?
No, I ain't no. I forgot.
No, this.
I don't know if I can reach this one. Yeah, no.
Do you need just like a regular ratchet? Or you think just a regular wrench? Like I got wrenches that are ratcheting that would get in there.
Yeah, let me see that.
All right, let me get that. Hook them up with the snap-on 14. Of course, the 14 is the one I have the little switch broke on.
I don't know if I'm tightening or loose.
Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey.
I'm so scared I'm gonna break something.
Nah, just whatever you do, don't round the head off if you can help it.
Oh, yeah, there we go.
Yeah.
I don't even think that's doing anything. I don't know if I'm making a lot of progress or not. You have like an angle thing? You know what I mean?
I got this thing, which kind of is okay, but it adds some inches to it, but it swivels. Is that what you're talking about?
Yeah, like a
It works.
Oh. I hate working on cars. I don't know how you...
So you should be able to just push on them and they pop off. So I got that one. You could spray some of this on there. This is like a lubricant type stuff. It's not like WD, it's more. Got it?
No, I'm kind of pushing myself out.
You think this pie
Oh, wait.
bar? Got it?
There it is.
Oh,
This is a lot of work. I don't want to do this no more.
let me get the lube. Thank you, thank you. I wish I had a straw on here. And boom. One exhaust off.
Oh, this
Got that
mid-pipe
one?
almost smacked me in my face.
You could put that one just like a little bit on the hanger, just so like the exhaust is kind of supported up a little bit. And then I think I can pop that. All right, one.
This would be a good time to drill holes in my resonator, huh?
There we go. And now you're straight piped. That's it. That's the muffler
All right,
delete.
turn it on.
See you guys in the next one.
It's way easier to get it on than off.
Yeah.
This might make like no difference at all.
Nah, it's gonna make a difference. It's gonna be so much faster.
Yeah, 20 horsepower.
Get the other side.
Do I need a nut? I guess I do need a nut.
Uh-oh. Battery died on the camera, so I don't know what we just lost, but you missed a lot of fun if you missed.
What?
Ow, I got shocked.
All right, here we go.
It hasn't even been like 20 minutes. This shit was light work.
I told you it would.
It would have
But
taken
you
me
never
like,
know. I mean, you never. We might.
might have broken a bolt or something. Yeah, this would have taken me like 2 or 3 hours by myself.
Anyway, so it looks like these bolts that it came with basically want you to not use these spring ones.
Oh, really? These the same size? Oh, these ones are a little bigger.
Dang. How they gonna do us like that? Aftermarket. Come on, aftermarket gang. Get it together.
So maybe like a 16 or 17?
You're right. You're right. It is a 16.
Oh, shoot, I had to unlock.
I'm gonna get you a 16 mil wrench.
I lost the locking washer. I may or may not have lost the locking. Oh, never mind, I found it.
Bruh.
I was gonna say,
Is it crooked?
nah, it's actually not crooked.
I'm getting stressed out down here.
The tightening.
There it is.
Good and tight.
Good enough.
Good enough. There you go. Look at shit.
It's the most work I've done in a while.
It's been so long since I put an exhaust or something like that on a car.
Since the old days.
I want to say the last time it was probably on my Honda, or it was when I was actually putting my stock exhaust back on.
Yeah, that's crazy. They're not actually crooked. Usually they're crooked.
Yeah, right? Or am I crazy? They look pretty straight.
Pretty straight.
Bada boom, bada bing. I didn't check the time. I should have checked it to see how long it actually took us.
Well, I got here at what, 3:20 something?
Yeah, and right now, what time we got? 4:15, so I said less than an hour.
Yeah. Didn't feel like it though.
What, your bumper came off?
A little bit. That's a common issue of these cars, though. The bumper doesn't sit right. The bumper's.
Oh yeah.
I think.
Well, you did have this. You did hit a deer, right?
Yeah. I think that I could just buy new brackets, though.
Yeah.
It's coming off on this side too.
But you know, once you go low, that's just gonna be a. You're gonna have to get little zip ties and put holes in there to stitch the.
So it doesn't
bump on
fly
there.
off.
See what this thing sounds like.
Woo! Yeah, that difference is crazy. That
I think it's good enough, right? I mean,
that's a big difference, to be honest.
ready. Yeah.
That's way better than before, to be
Yeah,
honest.
you didn't think it was gonna sound
Not
much
this
different at all.
crazy, because in the videos it's not that great.
No, it's got a nice little rumble to it, a little purr.
Get a view of my spoiler. Get a view of my spoiler coming up.
It's because you be going so fast.
That 3M tape don't want to hold no more.
Dang, I do like this little like duck.
I was gonna paint
Doug
match.
Bill?
I was thinking about paint matching.
I don't know what it sounded like before, but
It's very like vacuumy, huh?
Alright guys, well that's it for the video today. Like, subscribe, and comment below, I guess, or something. I don't know. See you next time. Peace. Yeah, that was a pretty easy install, and sounds pretty good for. I don't think you spent very much on the exhaust, a few $100s maybe. Super easy, simple, so try it yourself. Or something. I don't know. What am I trying to say? I'm just saying, if you like the video, like it and comment below. Oh, hit the subscribe button, please. I do a lot of stuff on this channel. A lot of random stuff, car stuff a little bit, snowboarding, skateboarding, mountain biking, family trips, all kinds of things. A little bit of everything, which I know isn't really ideal for the YouTube algorithm thing, but it's whatever. If you got some entertainment, then think about subscribing. Actually, I'm not gonna beg subscribing. You guys have a good day, okay? All right, see you guys. Peace. Almost forgot. You might like this video. Check it out.